Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my new other video. Today in this video we will learn an application. The topic of application is write an application to the principal for leave on account of illness. To comma the principal comma government dot school comma Lahore full stop. Then we mention the date. Sir comma most respectfully comma I would like to state that I have been suffering from fever for the last 3 days. So, comma, I cannot come to school. Kindly grant me leave of absence from school for 2 days. I shall be very grateful to you for this favor. Yours obediently, comma x dot y dot z dot. Then we mention the name and class. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to watch my new other videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.